Meaning of disqualification.
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 Disqualification. Disqualification refers to the act of being declared ineligible for a particular position or activity due to not meeting certain requirements or rules. The result of disqualification can vary depending on the context, but it typically means that the individual will no longer be able to participate in the activity or hold the position. This could range from being disqualified from participating in a sports competition to being removed from running for political office due to a violation of eligibility criteria. Ultimately, disqualification is a serious penalty that can have significant consequences for those who are affected by it.